So guys, I just wanted to let you know that I had the Nothing Phone 2.
Let's do this!
I wanted to show you everything that came in the box just as I received it. And this was the very first thing.
So I didn't expect a cap from Nothing, but obviously they sent a cap along with everything else, so pretty cool.
Well, looking at everything else that came in the box, we've got a little Nothing, well, it's not really a sticker, it's actually a little plastic sign. And here we have a phone case that I also ordered, and it also came with a screen protector, but we all know I don't use screen protectors, so I won't be using it. And here's the box itself. All paper, everything recyclable, so very nicely done with the packaging. And checking everything that comes in the box, and we'll look at the other stuff before the phone. And there's our connectors, and there's our SIM tool, and it's actually a see-through SIM tool, right in line with the rest of the phone, so pretty classy, I think. And there we have our usual paperwork. So let's get the phone out for our first look. So here's the Nothing Phone 2, and of course it has that nice see-through look which everybody loves. So let's see if we have any power. Alright, so I'm going to put it down, I'll get all my information put in and let it get booted up. So we're fully powered on, I've got all my information in there. So we'll lay it down and I'm going to give myself a phone call and let's see how those glyph lights work. So it copied the sound over from my other phone, so the sounds will be mine. So all the glyph lights seem to work nicely. That's the first time I've seen them. Pretty fascinating to watch for the first time. And yes, that's the standard sound I use for my phone calls. So that's our first look at the Nothing Phone 2, and of course I'll be learning about how to program the glyph lights and all that other stuff, so hopefully we'll be learning together. Just wanted to let you guys know I had it and let you have this first look. So as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And by the way, we all do better when we love each other.
Yeah.